Here I have Nokia 5.3 and today I'm going to show you how to change gesture sensitivity on this device. So basically you have to firstly open settings, then go to the system section, then gestures, system navigation, then you have to switch to the gesture navigation, and here by tapping on the gear icon you can change its sensitivity. For example, you can set it to low. It will be not sensitive at all. Or you can make it higher. It will be a bit more sensitive, I guess. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.